Each one of our sheds comes in a steel box, fantastic box. This box here, Blocky Supplies. It's got every single bit that you need to build a 6x6 shed, and it's super strong. Look at this box that it comes in. You can put this anywhere you want. We can freight it all over the place. This is what makes our sheds more affordable for everyone, because we come in this standardized format so it can be delivered to you anywhere easily with a forklift come up to one of our yards, grab it, stick it in your box trailer and take it home. This is a fantastic way of getting your 6x6 shed delivered to your place hassle-free. Come and look at Blocky Supplies today. Get a shed off us. You won't regret it. So here we have our basic shade shed kit that everyone gets. Like a bit over 3 meters long. This is how it comes to you. Now we're just going to do a bit of an unboxing video. Pretty rough, but on the go. So when you get it, you need a pair of snips to get this off. Pretty well packaged. So I'm just going to lift this lid up to give you an idea what it looks like this way. So we've got a nice steel box lid here. Photo of the shade shed here, all the dimensions on it. Everything you need. That's the puppy that's in this box right here. Geez, I'm quick, I tell you. So first thing we notice when we get to the box is the instructions. Now, these are the instructions. You follow these instructions and match the dots. There's stickers on everything inside. You got the material in here. Here's your roofing iron right here. Unfortunately, at the moment, we only just got one colour, which is like a pale eucalypt green. Here's all the roofing iron in the shed here. It's wrapped up to keep it nice and clean. So just to show you guys what's in the kit, of course, we went through the assembly instructions before. Right here, you get those. This is that steel that goes all around the sharp edges of the shed to protect you so you don't get cut. And that itself's worth a bloody fortune. You're getting that for free, chucked in with the kit. Now, we get on to, got this tube, this silicon sealer, specially designed to join the two sheets together with the gun. So you just put a bead of silicon along where they overlap, and then you put the screws through it. Of course, you'll need screws. Well, we'll supply you all the screws you need. The hex bits are in here to screw them. All you need is your own rechargeable drill gun. There's the roof sheets. Here's the frame ones. Now then, how are you going to hold it to the ground? Let's give you the footing kits as well. That's the ones we looked at before, where you dig a hole in the ground and fill it up with concrete. These here, they're your footing brackets that go over the base rail. Right behind me you see the shed here. It's got one here, boom. Base rail just glued into the ground, holding up this shed. So inside this kit is everything. Now just to give you a bit of a slip without me pulling all of the stuff out, they're all numbered so you know where to put it. It's virtually idiot proof. You can go in and put them all in. Now we've got some of these shims here that you can actually use to increase the strength of it as well. So we give you a set of shims. Everything you need is in this pack to make your own 6x6 shed or make a 3 by 4 meter high shed. You can adjust it up or down. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact either Darren, Alan, or ring Jenna. Ring Jenna. She's keen to actually talk to you today. True Aussies selling a true Aussie product put together by real men like myself.